Yo, what's up guys? So today I'm gonna show you how to add a custom icon to your PyInstaller EXE, and trust me, it looks way better than that boring default Python icon. First, download any icon you want to use. Now if your icon is a PNG or JPEG image, you'll need to convert it into an ICO file first. Just use any free online converter. It only takes a few seconds. Once that's done, put the icon file in the same folder as your Python script. Now open that folder and launch command prompt. At this point, most people try to build their exe and immediately get an error. Yeah, that happened to me too. The error says PyInstaller is not recognized. If that happens, don't panic. First, let's make sure Python is actually installed. Run the Python version command. If you see a version number on the screen, you're good. Next, install PyInstaller using pip. Let it download and finish installing. Grab a snack or something. It shouldn't take long. Alright, now let's try again. This time, instead of using the normal PyInstaller command, use the version that starts with py-m and make sure the P and I in PyInstaller are capital letters. Hit enter. If everything is installed correctly, PyInstaller will start building your exe. You see a bunch of text flying across the screen. Don't worry, that's normal. Once it's done, go back to your project folder. You see a new folder called dist open it up, and there it is, your exe file with the custom icon already applied. Pretty nice, right? So yeah, that's how you add a custom icon to a PyInstaller EXE and fix the PyInstaller not recognized error at the same time. Hopefully this saved you from smashing your keyboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.